That's a big ass fucking saw.
Is it any good, man? Huh? You think so? Does it cut?
Fuck that cut.
Does it really? Is that with the capital F?
With a capital F, yeah.
You want
That thing's crazy.
to start that thing up again, and I can get it. Cut the edge over here. Cut the edge a little bit over here. Is the chain okay?
I think so.
Yeah, chain looks good.
I gotta figure out how to fucking use this thing.
Well, it yeah, you can leave it there and drop start pole start it. Yeah. If it's got the compression in it, you can cycle it past the compression to get it in a different angle, and then you can like that. Then you could try it, of course, without the decompression valve. It's a lot easier. As long as it's not totally up or totally down. Hold on. Totally down is choke. You gotta pull in the throttle. So totally down is choke, and
Right.
one up is half choke.
Right.
One up is half choke.
It should.
And
be able to-
and as long as it's not fully up, since it's warm, it'll start. As
Should
long
be
as it's
right
not
there,
fully
right?
up. Yeah. Yeah, hit the edge. Hit the edge. Now the chain's getting loose.
A little bit, but
Hey Kevin, you been cutting with this thing at all?
I cut a couple times with it.
I'm just wondering if that chain's still sharp. Yeah. What
It's just that wood.
It's
that
pretty-
wood's hard.
It's very very hard. Very
That wood's
hard.
hard.
Yeah, it's been dry for a long time. It's very
wonder
very
if
hard.
It's dead for a while.
Yeah.
keeping that.
It ain't bogging down.
No, it's not bogging down.
No.
It's just the wood must be super hard.
That shit's hard.
Yeah, I know. It's not a fresh cut tree. And the harder the
It's like this is my first time using it too, so like
Well-
I'm not going like you know what I mean.
It's not you. I was just wondering why it was taking a longer time to sink into it, but it's because the freaking wood has been out here for several years, and it's dry.
Plus, I'm not like I'm just
You're just some
Getting the-
Texas welder.
getting the feel of it too. Like
Yeah.
you start using a tool like a little too aggressively
Yeah.
that you ain't used before, and like watch what happens.
Yeah.
So
Plus, it's better to break it in too. You know.
It's just got like. It's the biggest chainsaw I've ever put my hands on.
Really?
That's for sure. Oh yeah. Yeah, you don't like people. You go to people's houses and shit, or you go somewhere. You don't fucking have a saw that big. You know what I mean?
Not generally,
You know what I mean?
but it's good. It's handy to have. You know. Getting it all figured out.
It's like it was hard to turn with this case going on there.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll work. Now, look, hey, while we're at it, show us your technique for tattoo removal.
You cut it with the chainsaw.
You cut it with the chainsaw.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's how you get it.
This will do a very good job
That's
at tattoo removal.
That's the cheapest way.
That's the cheapest way.
Yeah, but it takes a little longer to heal.
It takes longer
Yeah,
to make it
for
look
sure.
good.
For sure.
Gotcha.
That was not on purpose.
Yeah, that was not intentional.
No.
Totally accidental. Accidents do happen, huh?
It was. Yeah, it was. It really
Cut
was.
it
Yeah.
off the top here and see.
Well, cross cutting that hardwood will be like it won't. It's not even going to move. It's going to take a long, long time to cross cut that hardwood. It's not going to show the capacity of the chainsaw.
Yeah.
It'll show how hard it is to cross cut.
Is it oak?
He said it's
I
elm.
think it's old.
I thought all them trees were dead.
This one was, yeah.
No, like they weren't around anymore. Or is that what?
That's
what,
chestnuts.
What one was that? Chestnut?
Oh, elm had a blight too. Yeah,
Yeah,
some
I
kind
think
of
it
some
did.
kind of elm. Chestnuts and elm had a blight. Had problems. You gonna start that sucker up again or what?
You could cut all the way down. I just wouldn't get it in the dirt.
And I wouldn't cross cut with it unless you're trying to mill, because cross cutting with that wood being as dry as it is, you're not going to get very deep into it.
Shows you how to wear out a chain.
Shows you how to wear out a chain is right.
No, I won't cut all the way through, but I'll cut damn near most of it.
What you think, man?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's badass.
It's,
yeah.
it's a winner.
Fuck yeah.
Winter chicken dinner.
All day, every day.
Yeah, it'll last you a bunch of years. Don't let anybody steal it. They like to steal them with chainsaws. You know.
I'm sweating like full grown on this thing.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yep. Now you might have to sharpen the chain a little bit, but
Yes, sir. I only square file all that shit.
there you go.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
I like it.
Alrighty. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up.
Thanks,
Take
man.
care.
Yeah.